How to buy a ROOMCON token. Now before we start, so this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply goes below. Find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. So this token, you can buy it on the MEXC. So what you need to do, just open your MEXC account as you can see here. Now make sure to log into your account. Now as you can see, you can copy this token symbol from here. This is the token name. Now in the search bar, now just paste it and you will be able to find this pair. Now click on it. So as you can see, after that you will be able to find this page. So if you don't have an account on MEXC, go and create one, or you can find a referral link below in the description. You can create an account on MEXC to benefit from rewards and fund in time USDT. So what you need to do to buy this token, as you can see, you can click buy here and select the limit. Now here, as you can see, you can type how much you want to buy of that token. So here you will be able to see how much you will be pay of that USDT on your account in order to use it to buy this token, and click on buy ROOMCON. Now if you select the market, you can drag this to set how much percentage that you want to use of that USDT on your account to be able to use it to buy this token, and click on buy ROOMCON. So this is it. This is how to buy ROOMCON token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.